Namaskara VTU bros. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about software engineering and project management module 1 model question paper. Only 4 questions we will discuss, and I have created a website for easy explanation. So let's go, guys. So this is the first A question which is asked in model question paper. Define a process or software process and explain generic process framework. So many students try to mug up this answer, but if you understand this, and you will never forget. Okay, try to understand. This question is almost guaranteed in VTU exams. So let us understand what a process means in software engineering. A software process is a structured set of activities required to develop, operate, and maintain a software system, which means it is a step-by-step method that tells you what to do, when to do, and how to do while developing software. Take example of building a house. Okay, you talk to the owner, you draw the blueprints, you build the walls, and then them move in. Okay, so this is how it works. So what to do, when to do, how to do, you have to remember it. A framework that defines what tasks are performed when and by whom and how during the software development. This is nothing but a process. It is a step-by-step method. So what is generic process framework? So this is the generic process framework. These are the steps which needs to be followed, that are communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. And in communication, it all comes about like interaction with stakeholders, requirement gathering, and clarification. And in planning, estimation, scheduling, risk planning. So for each step you can write 2-3 points, and then it will be good for you guys. It will give marks. And what are the advantages of it? Means predictable development, quality assurance, and better project control. So this is the visual representation. And communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. And there is a continuous feedback from deployment to communication. Write the diagram and also 5 stages clearly, and don't forget to write one after other. Okay, write like communication, planning, follow the structure: communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Don't skip diagrams, and don't write general SDLC steps. Okay, that are different, and this is different. This is generic process framework, and this is how you have to write. Yeah, hope this question is clear. Coming to next question. Attributes of web application. Okay, most students think a website and web application are same. So why this VT will ask you to make clear, to test you whether you understand what makes web applications different. So web applications are dynamic and distributed, whereas websites are static. So they are different from the traditional software because they live on the network and change constantly. Okay, it is like a library and a news website. A library, a traditional app which is static, which is website. Okay, a news website, web app, is a constantly updating and accessed by millions and interactive. So it has some attributes, web app attributes. What are they? Network intensive, content driven, continuous, and these are 8, I think. Okay, let's discuss one by one. What is network intensive? So it operates over the internet. Web application depend completely on the network, mainly on the internet. If the internet is slow, Gmail is slow, Google Meet is slow, everything will be slow. And content driven. Content driven in the sense, web applications are driven by content, not just by the code. So they focus on text, images, video, multimedia, everything. Then coming to continuous evaluation. So frequent updates and changes are there in web application. New features can be added regularly. Frequent updates can be done. Just like Instagram keeps adding features in reels, stories, etc. Right? So in the same way, immediacy. So immediacy means web applications are deployed and developed very quickly. Immediacy, like short development cycles, need to get to market fast. Then coming to the security is very crucial. So why like online banking systems or websites use OTP and other stuffs for security reasons, like critical protection against cyber threats. Then coming to aesthetics, nowadays everyone needs aesthetic, like aesthetic pictures you guys click. So aesthetic is nothing but user interface should be easy, and it is very crucial to develop, so for user retention. So aesthetic is also one of the attribute. Okay. Then scalability, must handle sudden spikes in user loads. Availability, of course, availability, like it should run 24/7. So this in this way, in one after other, if you write, you will get full marks. Try to avoid like general software features instead of these attributes. These are the only 8 attributes. 6-7, if you write, you will get passing marks. Okay. And explain with the real life example, guys, also, so that they will be understand. So next question, waterfall model, spiral model. Okay, waterfall model is a straight model, linear, sequential. And coming to spiral model, it is in loop. Okay, it is iterative. Okay, if you understand this, you don't need to mug up. So the waterfall model is a linear, and sequential model where each phase is completed. Okay, one phase must finish before going to the next. Okay, you must finish your breakfast before going to the lunch. In same way, waterfall model, first step should be completed before going to the next. Whereas spiral, it is a iterative approach that combines linear nature of waterfall with the iterative nature of prototyping, focusing heavily on risk analysis. So spiral focuses on risk analysis. So why this question is asked mainly. Okay, like the spiral model is an iterative and risk driven model where development happens in loops called as spirals. Okay, development happens in loops called as spirals, and these are the steps: requirements, design, implementation, verification or coding, and maintenance. You can write, you list the differences between waterfall and spiral, like linear, iterative, high risk, risk driven, hard to change, easy to change, at end, every loop. Okay, you read it and write the differences, you will get the full marks. Okay, draw the table, small sketches. I didn't mention sketches, but try to write the sketches also. Then coming to the next question, second B, that is David Hooker's 7 principle. Okay, very easy question, you can easily write, you can easily score this. And this question looks theoretical, but if you explain in with common sense, it will be easier for them. So write the 7 principle and explain 2-3 points. Okay, what is the first reason? First principle, the reason it all exists. Whatever there is, there must be a reason behind it, right? The software exists to provide value to its user. Every software is built on a purpose, so like mainly to satisfy the customer needs. Why Rapido came? Because some cab very difficult to search, so a cab came on our fingertips, right? Food came on our fingertips. So reason it all exists. This is one of the principle why softwares exist, to provide value to the users. Next is KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. Like avoid unnecessary complexity. Like software should be simple as possible, but not simpler. It should be simple but not simpler. Avoid unnecessary complexity, like fewer bugs. Like Google homepage is very simple, right? But very powerful also. Then maintain the vision. What is the vision? The team must follow a clear and consistent vision of the system. A clear architectural vision is essential. Then what you produce, others will consume. Think about the maintainers and users. You have to write 2-3 points, so only you will get full marks. Okay. Be open to future, like design for extensibility, scalability, and changes. Plan ahead of reuse. Don't reinvent the wheel. Okay, just do it in components way. Think, place clear, complete thought before action. So these are the 7 principles. If you list out 7 principles and if you write 2-3 description points, then it will be easy. And forgetting the order, like order is strictly fatal, but listing all 7 is crucial. Okay, no issues in that. Yeah, this is all about module 1. You guys do subscribe and like, then we will make model 2 question answers also. Okay, thank you.